Alright, we got some crazy bird feeder builds. Got the little trays on the side. This one is a house too. Now this one looks like a house, but it's just a feeder. Seen a barn like this where one side of the roof was caved in. Easy access. In this one, I was thinking of a bird feeder pavilion. Nothing real fancy about these. Looks like a birdhouse, but it's not. It's a feeder. I wanted another little house with a feeder. It's got the tray up top and the tray in the bottom. And the little house. It's kind of cool. And this one. I still don't know what I was thinking with this one. Sounds like Mr. Owl's back. But yeah, this is my crazy collection. And now that I'm burnt out on the birdhouses, it's time to find something else. I was thinking about trays. I don't know. We'll see.